what's your name first, and why are you here today?
I'm called Nina, and I'm here to support the Somalis who deserve to be treated with dignity and given papers.
Right. How many population has been here today? How many people have been turned up today here as a Somali community, another community as well?
Well, there's not enough Somalis, but the Somalis who have come have been wonderful, and there's about 100 or 200, I think, but I'm not sure yet.
Why did you particular just want support by the Somali community? Why other communities?
Because they came to us, they wanted to mobilise their own community, and London Citizens helps them mobilise their own community.
Well, what organisation do you currently support?
It's called London Citizens, which is also known as the Citizen Organising Foundation.
Right. Particular, you know, many Somalians are here in Britain today, and they really want to get the government support, but they don't get that much. So what are you going to recommend by the British government to do, or support by the Somali community here in Britain?
Well, the recommendation that here at London Citizens, we want the government to give a one-off amnesty to all the Somalis who've been living in the UK for more than 4 years without paper, and so without legal status. So that's the recommendation.
Right. Do you know there are many parents have got children and currently live with other Somalis, and they haven't got any support from the government. So what do you particularly tell to the Gordon Brown, the Prime Minister, because this is what we want to put in his report for the future?
Oh, well, the only thing we're recommending now is that if you give a one-off amnesty to these people, then they can work and then they can support themselves.
There are a lot of people against these people. There are a lot of people who are against this demonstration today, saying these people have to be deported.
No, it costs more for the government. The British government will cost more for them to deport people. If people stay here and work, they'll pay taxes, so they'll contribute to the British society. And also, it costs thousands of pounds to deport every single person. And at the end of the day, we're human beings who should be treated with dignity. And so the government shouldn't just deport people as if they were animals.
Many thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look. This report is more important because we put on our website and inshallah